Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to create checklist and then selected checklist load automatically into maintenance form. You can see here our module Dev Equipment Maintenance Checklist. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to maintenance, go to configuration menu and see here this menu maintenance checklist. Create new, add title like checklist 1 and see here description like a purchase product. Save. Second one is the checklist 2 and description is the solving fault into the product and save. Now go to this equipment menu. Go to anyone like a HP inkjet printer. See here this checklist. Add. I did create total 2 checklist 1 and 2. Select both and save. Now go to this maintenance request. Create new. Write here your request like about screen. See here this equipment. Display here multiple, but you select only one that which inside this checklist. I set HP inkjet printer, so select here. And now see also display here checklist menu. Click on, so you can easily see here checklist 1 and 2 is automatically loaded based on this equipment. Thank you.